Did you know that basically when you get meat from the store, it has all this stuff on it? And see, there is a little bit of what I scraped off of this first piece. So what I do is I take the knife and I scrape along and get all this pink slime. See it on the knife? That is the same as the pink slime that they've been adding to our meat. It's really nothing more than just ground up bone and meat. Only problem is the pink slime, because it took them so long to process it, it would go bad. And this is not bad. This is not treated with ammonia to kill all the bad. So then what we're doing is we're splitting these up to put them back in the freezer, but I can't even imagine, because my boyfriend, he's not as good at scraping all this off. He forgets. And he does most of the cooking. So and these are going in the freezer. I really hate the thought of all of that just sitting on the meat. Let's see, I do it this way because I can flip the clean side over. See all that. All that is that the blade gets dirty as they're cutting these. And they're cutting through the bone and the marrow. It's not bad for you, but it does give the meat a different taste. And I just find it tastes so much better to get all that stuff off. Now imagine it's like a seasoning. Now my cats don't mind it. I'll give that to my cat. They've been eating raw meat since they were kittens. So they have developed, their system likes raw meat. They have no trouble with it. If you tried to give raw meat to a cat that's a full-grown adult, they won't touch it. Not at all. It'll look at you like, what in the world do you want me to do with that? Cook it for me? One more. You just run a sharp knife along the meat. So I got 5 pounds of meat here, and I'm supposed to make up 2 packages of 2.5 pounds each. So I still got another one to go here, and these are pork sirloin chops, bone in, $2.29 a pound. My boyfriend knows how to shop. Alrighty, so that is how much pink slime you'd have in your food if you didn't scrape your meat. Interesting, huh?